Iñigo and I am 10 years old. I have got brown curly hair and brown eyes, and I am funny and hardworking. In this photo, I'm with my parents. This is my dad. He has got green eyes. He is funny and friendly. In this photo, he is with me and with my mom. This is my grandpa. He has got white hair and brown eyes. He is nice and very funny. In this photo, we are in the door. This is my mom. She has got curly brown hair and brown eyes. She is hardworking and friendly. In this photo, she is hugging me. Thank you. This was all. And this was all. Thank you for your. This was all. Thank you.
Thank you for your attention.
And I hope you like.